Mark, how about over at NASA? I would imagine that you all have a very unique environment there with all these sophisticated capabilities that you have out there, that whole commercial program now, a complex environment that you have to secure. Give us a top line.
Well, you really put your finger on it from a complexity perspective at NASA. When the command came down to move to zero trust, we had to take a look at our whole enterprise and determine where we could best, apply resources. And what we figured was that our mission side, it's extremely important that we understand risk before we move forward with any kind of a capability change. So we began our journey on our corporate network. And from the corporate side, we stood up our cybersecurity improvement portfolio so that we can make sure that projects and initiatives that were associated with getting us to the technological parts of zero trust were well managed. And so from that perspective, we were able to break out the executive order, all of the OMB memoranda, the SolarWinds passback engagement. We came
Mm.
up with 111 requirements. From those, we went to 9 programs with a total of 85 programs, and we baselined that back in April of 2023. We then went through a process where we went to a gap analysis and a roadmap development effort that yielded another 111 requirements. And so from there, we were actually able to shape our portfolio to 8 programs. So we reduced it by 1, but we came up to 90 projects and initiatives. And from that, we've actually been very successful. Since the start of the portfolio, we've been able to address 27 of those projects and initiatives and have completed them, which has basically allowed us to add maturity to zero trust across all of our pillars. And we're looking forward to the upcoming year where we see more opportunities to continue to mature.